At Southwest Heating and Cooling, our 50-plus years of experience make us Littleton and South Denver's trusted choice for emergency furnace repair when you need it most. Here is our guide for emergency furnace repairs. Common furnace problems we solve. Furnace problems can stem from aging units, dirty filters, pilot light issues, or worn-out mechanical parts. Our technicians quickly diagnose and resolve issues like strange smells, weak airflow, or thermostat malfunctions. Trusted expertise in Littleton. With decades of local experience, we are a community-focused team providing certified, high-quality furnace repair to keep Littleton families comfortable. How we keep you comfortable. We prioritize quick responses, clear communication, and reliable service. Our straightforward pricing and guarantees ensure trust and satisfaction for every emergency repair. If you are experiencing a furnace emergency, contact us. For over 50 years, Southwest Heating and Cooling has been the trusted choice for homeowners in Littleton and South Denver. Contact us today and experience superior comfort. You won't find better service anywhere else.